Okay, we're going to talk about characters today. You will need your notes, so go ahead and pause this video and go get your notes. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be talking about characters and how to analyze complex characters. So there are two main things you need to know for this video. One, you need to put this in your notes, the difference between flat and round characters. Flat characters do not change over the course of the text. We are going to run into several of these characters as we go through our novel, so keep that in mind. And round characters change over the course of the text. In the next video, we'll talk about round versus static characters, but that will be later. So this is how you can tell if a character is flat or round. Flat characters are uncomplicated, remain the same, characterized by one or two traits, can be summarized in one or two sentences, tend to be static, and they're not really a surprise. Round characters are more complex. That means they're going to change throughout the course of the novel. They have different traits about them. They're not easily summed up and tend to be dynamic. I would go ahead and pause this video, make sure you have the definition for both flat and round characters and the traits that are in the chart. Okay. Hopefully you have all that in your notes because it will become very useful as we go over this. Next, you need to complete the practice check that is in Unit 3.1 on teens. Then there will be a mastery check